I may end up on Costa Rican television with another crazy bald guy. They have their own crazy bald guy. It was awesome. We are at Dominicalito Beach today. This beautiful beach just south of Dominical on the southern Pacific coast of Costa Rica. This place is totally empty. There's very few people on the beach. Absolutely beautiful. The water is nice and blue. So Dominicalito Beach is known as a great beginner surf beach. There's some parts that are rocky here along the beach, but they actually mark this spot in the palm trees with these white hash marks here, because in front of those white hash marks there's an area, a break in the rocks. So if you want to surf in an area where there's no rocks below you, it's marked by those hash marks on the palm trees there. Some of the other beaches in the area, like Dominical Beach, is known for really strong rip tides. But this is a great beginner surf beach. There's no strong rip currents here normally. Of course, that's gonna be dependent on the weather. This is actually a really beautiful beach. The water looks so nice today. The sun's hitting it, lovely. So parking is free here, good place to learn how to surf. Dominicalito Beach. So we are at Poza Azul, the Dominicalito rope swing. So 7 years ago we were here exploring this area, and this is a real local spot where they had a rope swing up. There's some high cliff jumps. Let's go see if it's still a good spot to check out. So we just had a great time at Poza Azul, Dominicalito rope swing, little cliff jump spot, actually a slide. We're actually shooting a local TV show down there, so I may end up on Costa Rican television. You never know, with another crazy bald guy.
Aquí.
¿Cuál es más grande? ¿Cuál es más grande? They have their own crazy bald guy. It was awesome.
Infamous.